YUNXI Mini Chainsaw Guard Assembly. First, remove the battery. Take the battery completely out before working around the chain or guard. This prevents accidental activation. Step 2. Remove the guard mounting screw. Locate the screw at the pivot point of the black upper guard. Use the supplied wrench or screwdriver to remove it. Keep the screw and wash your gasket nearby. Step 3. Install the spring into the guard. Place the torsion spring around the guard's pivot or mounting hole. One end of the spring engages the guard and the other engages against the chainsaw body. The spring is what makes the guard automatically return over the chain. Step 4. Position the guard and spring. Position the guard above the chain and guide bar. Align guarding mounting hole, spring, and the mounting hole on chainsaw. Step 5. Install the washer and screw. Place the washer back onto the mounting point. Insert the long mounting screw and tighten it enough to secure the guard. Don't clamp the guard too tightly that it can't pivot. Step 6. Check the guard movement. Keep the battery removed. Push the guard upward by hand and release it. It should move upward freely and return downward by itself, and sit over the chain. If it stays open, binds, or doesn't spring back, don't operate the saw. The spring is likely positioned incorrectly. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.